Hey people, so this is my third video of the day, and wow, so this is the oh yes, pad thai, and this is veg no pasta na. So yeah, if you could serve yeah, yes, so that, so this looks good, yeah, pad thai. Incidentally, this is the dish I'm going to be trying at home, like in terms of to make it. And we were told we can't sit outside because it is a smoking zone. So with kids, we are not allowed to sit outside. So yeah, Sanctuary is this very fine dine, elite kind of place, which you know. So I'm waiting to get a taste of the pad thai. Yes. Okay. And this is. No, see. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Yes. Just to try. Yeah, all of us like every.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I don't mind in the same plate. No, Kutu, I just sure because I'll. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, in fact, all of us have pad thai. Yeah. Come, so sweet. My sweetheart, are you sure? Take a bite of it. Tell me how it is. So this is.
Oh, it's cheesy.
Yeah. This is. My God.